Hey everyone, it's J. Roy again, coming to you from Dublin, Ireland. This is the top 5 things to do here. Number 5 on the list is the Guinness Storehouse. The Guinness Storehouse really should be number 1 on the list. It was the favorite thing we checked out while we were in Dublin. Only $20 to get in the door. It's 7 stories of history, showing you the process, everything you need to know about Guinness. And at the very top, there's an observation deck where you can have a beer. It's basically a bar with views of the entire city. Definitely go if you're going to be in the city of Dublin. Number 3 on the list is a tour of Trinity College. Trinity College is worth taking a look at because it has a lot of history, beautiful architecture, and it happens to be one of the top learning places in all of Europe. Spend the $5, get a tour, you won't regret it.
Number 3 on the list is the old library in the Book of Kells.
The Old Library and the Book of Kells are both part of Trinity College. Unfortunately, I couldn't film while I was in the room with the Book of Kells, which was quite beautiful. I must say though, the whole place was packed the entire time, so make sure to get there early and get your tickets. Number 2 on the list is St. Stephen's Green, located in the center of the city. The 27-acre park has been around for centuries. It's a beautiful place, similar to Boston's Common. You can walk around it, exercise, have a picnic, or enjoy some of the sculptures that are scattered throughout the area. Number 1 on the list is this jail that I cannot pronounce, so I'm going to write it below for you. This jail played a huge role in the city of Dublin's history, so that's probably why it's number 1 on the list of TripAdvisor's things to do while you're in the city. Personally, I think the Guinness Storehouse was absolutely amazing. If you have enough time for everything, you should definitely go take a look. If you only have time for one thing, go check out the Storehouse. If you like this kind of content, go check out my YouTube page by searching J. Roy Fitchburg. Otherwise, you can find me on Instagram by searching J. Roy USA. And this is just a small portion of our whole trip around Ireland. I'm going to be putting that video out soon. So make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends so I can keep making these videos. That's it.